To turn a regular image into a vector graphic is very simple. Just click on the image, go to image trace, click on black and white logo, then click on the preset. The image trace dialog box will appear as shown on the screen. Then do some changes moving the cursor like threshold, paths, curve or noise. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe for more such videos. You can see as you move the cursor front and back on noise, you can see the difference on the screen. After satisfying result, check on the ignore color and click on expand. Now let's change the color from black to any other color. Just click on the image and click on the color picker. So as you move the cursor, the color changes. After satisfying result, click on OK. The color will shift to default color, that is grey color. By selecting again and again, this mistake appear. So don't worry. Just click on the image and click on swatches and select the color whichever you want. And this color will remain intact. So subscribe for more such videos. This way a regular image can be converted into a vector graphic. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.